Hello dear parents, students and my colleague. We are making this video for you. This is introduction video. As you know, I'm English teacher. I have been working in Invest Academy, Kobustan branch over 5 years. During my work time, I got great score from our students. And as you know, English language consists of four sides: reading, writing, speaking, and listening. And most of the students suffer to improve four of them together. But I will give you best advice in this way, and advice and tips. First, if you want to improve your speaking ability, you must increase your vocabulary list. I mean that you must learn new words after you must make a sentence after you will practice a lot. Secondly, if you want to improve your listening ability, you must listen broadcast a lot after you will improve your listening ability. If you want to improve your reading ability, you must read a lot of short and plenty of text. And after, if you want to improve your writing ability, you must write short essays. After, finally, you will improve your essay ability. Of course, if you want to get high score from IELTS, TOEFL, SAT, or university exam, you must apply. You can also apply Invest Academy, and we will support you to get your goals. And I am with you. I am English teacher. I always support you. I believe you can get everything if you want. Thank you.